Hey guys, today we're going to do a experiment on formation of a new substance. You will have on your lab table and the directions that go with it step by step. So we have in this the calcium chloride, baking soda, and phenol red. First experiment that you will work on, the direction says you only need one teaspoon of the baking soda. I've got 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I will put that into the bag. I will now, with this, you've got the baking soda and the phenol red. You are going to then pour it in there. There is an example of a chemical change. Unexpected color. We've got temperature has changed. Got really cool on that. So there you go.
All right, so now we're going to be doing another experiment to see if we can observe the signs of the chemical change. In this one, we're going to be mixing 3 different substances together. The first substance that we have is sodium bicarbonate. Okay, we know that is baking soda. The chemical formula is sodium bicarbonate. Then we have calcium chloride over here. And then our third substance right here is phenol red. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is the first thing we're going to do is take 1 teaspoon of the baking soda. Okay. So 1 teaspoon of the baking soda, and we're going to put it into the Ziploc baggie. And then we need 2 teaspoons of calcium chloride. 1. 2. Okay. And then I'm going to zip this up part way. And the reason that I'm doing that is because as soon as I put the phenol red in, I want to close it quickly. And that's going to help me to observe one of the signs of a chemical change that I'm going to see in just a moment. So I'm going to take my 10 milliliters of phenol red. I'm going to pour it in carefully. And I'm going to quickly zip up my bag. And then I'm going to start mixing these substances together. So as you can see, we definitely had an unexpected color change. We mixed 2 white substances and a red substance and got something yellow. We have foaming, bubbling, and fizzing. And if you look carefully, you can see the bag is starting to fill with air. So that's going to be, those are all signs of a production of gas. It's actually gotten quite cold. If you want to feel it down the bottom, it's actually quite cold. So that's definitely a temperature change that we've got there. Okay. And those are our signs of a chemical change in this reaction.
Hey guys, so I'm going to show you the third experiment that we are going to do in formation of a new substance. This one, we are going to see probably the most exciting reaction to see formation of a new substance. But we have to be very careful when we do this one. You have right here, you have the luminol solution, and then here is going to be the hydrogen peroxide. You also have a cup and a pipette at your table. So we are going to pour 1 bottle of the luminol solution into the plastic cup. So I'm going to pour this whole bottle into this cup. Oh, okay, it's really close to spilling out, so be very, very careful with this. The next part, we're going to have to make sure before we place this hydrogen peroxide into the cup that the lights are out. So I have to get 1 ml of the hydrogen peroxide. So in order to do that, there are little markings on the pipette, and you're going to get it to the very top line right there. So make sure you carefully get, and see I've got too much, so I'm going to squeeze some down till I'm about 1 ml. Okay, and then we're going to wait for the lights to be dimmed. And then we're gonna watch the reaction to see if we form a new substance here. All right, here we go. So we're looking for signs of a new substance being formed. Did we observe that here?